In this tutorial, we're going to be talking about using a pre-recorded video as part of your presentation, running your webinar in what we call hybrid mode, which allows you to have a video playing while you're still live there in the chat box, answering people's questions and working with the webinar. Now, this is a great way to run a presentation. It is actually a very relaxing way. If you've got a pre-prepared presentation, you can have that playing while you're still in the in the webinar room answering the chat question. So let me show you how this will work. What you need for this particular style of presenting is, of course, a pre-recorded presentation and have that saved on your computer in an MP4 format. So let me show you how we're going to do this. We're going to create a new webinar in the same way as we always do, and give this webinar a title. So this particular webinar will be pre-recorded demonstration. Whoops, if I can type. Pre-recorded demonstration. So of course we're going to have a time and date. I'm going to have this for now so that we can see it starting. Now, this is where we load in the pre-recorded video clips. You can see that just halfway down the page. You need to load in the video that will run for your presentation. Otherwise, the video tab, which I'll show you in the next part, won't show. So you need the video uploaded to make sure that you have a video for this particular presentation. So what I'm going to do is click on upload the video, and you need, of course, as I mentioned, a video in MP4 format. So let me find that one, and I'll be right there with you. Okay, now I've chosen that video, and this particular one is only 11 seconds long. I wanted to make sure it was quick and easy for me to show you on this video, but of course your presentation can be any length. It could be an hour or 2 hours, it could be 40 minutes. This is the pre-recorded component of your presentation. So now I'm just going to go through the rest of the setup as always. I'm going to add my autoresponder, choose my look, and click on save. Now you can see now, as I'm uploading, that this particular upload for that video is being uploaded now as I've clicked on save. So I'm just going to click on pause. This is why I wanted a short video for this demonstration. I'll pause this while the video uploads and I'll be right back with you. So that's now uploaded. As we can see, the webinar's ready, and if I'm presenting this webinar, let me go right through to this link. You can see now that in addition to the camera, whiteboard, and screen share mode, I've got the play video mode. So what I'm going to do, you can now merge this video into any way of presenting that you like. So you might do an initial introduction, then you might switch over, you might start on a screen share and switch over. So you can do any method of those. So for this, I'm going to perhaps start on a screen share and then I'll switch over. So I've started to screen share, click on start. I'm demonstrating, maybe I'm going through a PowerPoint, I'm using my screen share, and then I switch over to play the video. It asks me which one, and then it will literally just start playing that video straight to my people. And you can see that there, as I mentioned, it's only 11 seconds. But that allows me to have the video playing, a pre-recorded presentation, and I can now type straight into the chat box. I can be there monitoring and using the system. The video's playing for me, the video's doing the presenting for me, and I can be running that presentation almost on autopilot as that video is there. So again, this was only an 11-second video, but you would have your own full presentation being able to play. You can then run the presentation in a relaxed mode with you just there answering questions while the video does all the work for you. So that's how to use a pre-recorded video to now show up in your video mode within Webinar JEO, so you can present using a pre-recorded presentation as part of your live presentation to your webinar audience. I hope that's a helpful feature. You'll find the hybrid mode within Webinar JEO a great way to run presentations and still be able to interact with your audience, and you can now set that up within your Webinar JEO dashboard.